In this video, we are going to show the user's full name and logout link at the top right corner of the application. Here you see after successful authentication, the user's full name gets displayed at the top right corner here, and there's a drop-down menu that shows the logout link here. Note that we need to enable time-leap integration with Spring Security so we can use some security attributes in the view. So we need to declare new dependency with the following information with this group ID and artifact ID, and then in the view file we need to declare a new XML namespace like this. Come back to the project and open the Maven project file in the ShopMe web parent project. Because both the ShopMe backend and ShopMe frontend projects will be using the Timeleap Extract security integration with Spring Security. So here we declare a new dependency here after Spring Boot started Timeleap here. Dependency with the group ID is org.timeleap.extract and artifact ID is timeleap extract spring security 5. Save the change, and maybe we download the required .jar file for timeleap extract and open the ShopMe backend project, expand Maven dependency, and we see the jar files timeleap extract spring security 5 here. Okay. Then open the homepage index HTML file here. And we need to declare a new XML namespace here. XML namespace with the prefix is sec for security, and the URL is https timeleap.org/timeleap-extract-spring security 5. So then we can use some security attributes in this view file, and scroll down under the menu items here. After the last menu item settings here, we need to show the user icon. So here we create a new list item here, and we use the span tag to show the user icon with the class is FAS from FontAwesome. FA-user is a icon name, and FA2X is the size of the icon, and icon silver is the color of the icon. You can see the color we define in the style.css here, icon silver here. Okay, now let me log in again. Now 2020 is the password. We got an error. Let's see. Nothing happened. I think we need to restart the application. It is recommended to restart the application after adding a new dependency for timeleap extract security integration. Okay. Now refresh the home page and log in again. Here, email and password. Okay, I am in. But we don't see the user icon here. It's because we have not referred to FontAwesome library in the header of the page here. So we can copy that code from the user's listing page here to include FontAwesome here and style CSS here. Copy and paste into this home page here. And you see we have some duplication in both pages, index and user listing. In the next lecture, I will show you how to refactor the code. Okay, and then refresh. And you see the user icon appears here. Then we need to display the user's full name after the user icon here. So we copy, paste, and modify the menu item here. And here the text of the link is user full name. So with Timelip extra integration with Spring Security, we can use this attribute sec is a prefix of Spring Security colon and then authentication, and then we can specify the expression here. Principal represents the user object, and then a property in the user details class here. Show me user details. Then we can refer to any property in this user details class. For example, first name. Here we need to we can test username here. Test username. Principal.username. Okay, and refresh. And you can see the email appears here. This is the username of the currently logged in user. Now we need to update the user details class to have a getter method that returns the full name. So here we write a getter method string get full name, and we simply return the user first name. This user first name concatenated with the white space and followed by user last name. This user get last name. Save the change, and then in the view we can refer to the property full name here. Full name, and refresh. And because the application has restarted, we need to log in again. Okay, I have logged in successfully, and now you see my full name appears at the top right corner here. Perfect. Next, we are going to show the logout link as a drop-down menu item under the user full name here. Okay, so we need to update this list item. Add the class is drop-down here. And then we have a new div section for the drop-down menu. And for this link, the parent link here, we need to add the class drop-down dash toggle. And then we need to specify the attribute data dash toggle, data dash toggle equal drop-down here. And for the div section, we specify the class is drop-down dash menu, and we have a hyperlink here with the text is logout, and we specify the class for this link is drop-down dash item with the sref attribute point to an empty string here. Okay, and refresh, and you see we got the drop-down menu with the down arrow icon next to the user full name here. Click and you can see the logout link here. Perfect, right?